Hi, this is Lou from MoBreak Studio. Today I would like to introduce our new game, Hunt the Birds. It's an arcade game which is quite easy to play. I think you can master it after watching this video. First, you can see the menu screen where you can find your best score in the yellow rectangle. And besides, there are three red buttons here. The right button is the armory, the left is the sound button, and the middle is the start game. Okay, let's check the armory. You can see you can choose many kind of arrows here. Each kind will have its attributes, which is shown on the upper left. The bird icon is the number of bird one arrow can kill, which is 2 for ice arrow. The coin icon is the number of additional coin you get if the arrow hit the coin, which is 1 for electric. That means you get 2 coin each time you hit the coin. The last icon is the additional speed for the arrow. The additional speed here is 0 for electric and 1 for fireworks. Okay, you can see on the upper right is the number of remaining arrows for this kind. At the beginning, we'll give you 50 for each kind so that you can get to know all about the arrows, all kind of them. I think it's enough for you to get used to them, and you can decide which one you can unlock later. Okay, let's start playing now. Choose something cool like fireworks. Okay, start now. For each round, you only have 5 arrows and few seconds, but several birds to hunt down, so you have to be careful. At the bottom, you can see the bow and arrow. Touch down there at the different kinds, different horizontal positions to release the arrow. See? Quite easy. Like this. Bam. Bam, bam. Yeah. I think that's all for now. So please try it and give us your feedbacks. Thanks for watching.